There's a buoyancy we feel when we let life move effortlessly at its own pace. The world softens, the air opens, and suddenly, even previously heavy thoughts feel clear and unburdened. Maybe it's the way the wind lifts the edge of a thought, or the way someone's presence can make the whole day feel weightless. In these quiet crossings of light and motion, we feel something shift. A reminder that we don't have to carry everything all the time. For a moment, we cast no shadow. For a moment, we float.